In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make $25 per day with just one simple trick. Hi, my name is May. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, and today I'm going to share with you a secret that I've never shared before. So on top of my how to make $100 per day online business, there are other things that I make money on the internet. So far, I have shared with you how to make money on social media and how to make money by drop shipping. So this one is the third one. This third way, it's really easy to do and it's just using one simple trick to do. So I hope that you stick to the end to learn how to turn this simple trick into money-making machine. YouTube community is so huge. And being a YouTuber myself for almost a year now, I realized that every YouTuber has a set of struggles and needs in order to grow their YouTube channel. So their biggest need is in designing. They need to design their channel art, their thumbnails of the videos, their intros and end screens. So there's this saying that goes, don't mine for gold when you can sell shovels. The big money isn't in the business of gold digging, it is in the tools, which is the digger or the shovels. So those people that saw the opportunity to sell shovels actually made more money than the gold diggers. So today I'm going to show you how to make tools to dig gold. So I'm going to jump to my computer and show you how to create tools for YouTubers. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. My videos are mainly on how to make money online and be an online entrepreneur. And for those who are keen to earn $100 per day doing dropshipping, I've created a 10 pages blueprint for you to download for free. I will include the link down in the description box below, so do check it out. So this intro looks like you have put in a lot of effort, right? It only took me less than 2 minutes to make this intro. Yes, you heard me right. It's just 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. This is what you're gonna do. You go to tubearsenal.com, and you just need to choose a template. So because Supermom TV is like a very superhero theme, that's why I chose this intro. To show you as an example, what I need to do is I just need to plug in the title or your YouTube channel name here. So for me, I put Supermom TV and that's it. The audio, it's all presets. I just use back the audio and voila, you get this. You can preview. This is a preview video. So this is the tool that I'm referring to. You can provide YouTube community with intro and outro design. So you can come to fiverr.com. So for those that are not familiar with Fiverr, Fiverr is the largest marketplace for digital services. You can browse for digital freelancers offering services like copywriting, logo design, flyer design, business card design, and a lot more. So Fiverr is popular for their $5 gigs. A service offered on Fiverr is called a gig. So these are all individual gigs, and they are popular for the $5 gigs. That's why they are called Fiverr. But nowadays, we can see a lot of demands on digital services. So even though people are selling it at $5, there are a lot of upsells in their profile. Like $5, you can just get a basic service, and you can upsell them higher. If they want more things, then you can upsell them to a higher price. Fiverr.com is a very good place for you to earn extra money and earn your side income over here. You can sell anything and everything. So the tool that I'm referring to is for you to sell intro or outro to the YouTube community. So let me show you how much does freelancer on Fiverr charge for YouTube intro. You can see the YouTube intro, the animated type, starting from $60, $55, $30. There's a very wide range of prices here. So in order for you to earn $25 a day on Fiverr, you just need to sell to one customer at $35. So I will price your intro or outro at $35. So what is an outro? Outro is end screen. So I'm going to show you real quick on how to make an outro from this tube arsenal. So I will just choose this template here. It's a dream tube template. So I'll put in my title as Supermom TV and my website here, and choose a custom image, a simple one, just for me to show you. Just put a logo you have, and I'll just preview the movie. I'll let it render. So you can preview the movie before buying the final one. So if this is $9. So for the preview, it will look a bit choppy and jumpy, but the real thing is very smooth after purchasing it. So they will remove all the watermarks. Can even choose a custom image for the end screen. So example, I use this one. I can even crop to my liking. For you to use Tube Arsenal and to download your intro, you need to pay a $9 a base price. So you get this 720p, which is good enough. Why I asked you to price it at $35 for your Fiverr gig is because after minusing your $9, then you have a $26 net profit. So to be a seller on Fiverr is actually free. So you can just join and you post your gig over here. You can post 2 gigs. One is to create an intro and another one you create an outro. So you can browse around other sellers' description and you can copy from them. You can even upsell them. You can upsell them like a package. Maybe if you want them to buy your intro and outro, you can price it higher. And after you have created the gig, you can also promote your gigs by joining YouTube group community on Facebook. There are a lot of groups out there. You can just search for YouTube group community and you can just join all of them, and you can try to promote your service on the group because most of the groups, they have a lot of members. So yes, this is how you can earn a minimum of $25 per day using this simple trick of creating YouTube intro and outro for customers and sell it on Fiverr. I hope today's tutorial is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and share my video, and I shall see you this Friday. Bye!